Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 9, and our topic today is visual prompting. Have you ever tried describing a person to a sketch artist? Words help, but a photo makes it instant. In the same way, when you combine text with images, you unlock a whole new level of clarity with AI. Visual prompting is when you provide images alongside text instructions to an AI model that can understand both, like ChatGPT 4 with Vision, Claude, or Gemini. These models can analyze images, understand their content, and use that as context for the prompt. It's a game changer for tasks where visuals matter. For example, instead of saying, "Help me improve this infographic," you can upload the image and say, "Revise this infographic to make it more visually appealing and easier for college students to understand. Suggest layout, color, and font changes." Now, the AI isn't just guessing, it's seeing what you are talking about. Let's explore some real cases. You can ask the AI for design feedback, upload a poster, and give it a prompt like, "Here is a poster I made. Can you give design suggestions to improve clarity and visual impact?" The AI analyzes alignment, font usage, color contrast, spacing, and gives targeted feedback. You can also use it for code and UI debugging. Upload a screenshot of a web page. Give it a prompt like, "This layout looks broken on mobile. Can you spot issues and suggest CSS fixes?" You can also try to upload some diagrams, like upload a biological cell diagram, and give it a prompt. Explain this diagram in simple language for a sixth grader. This bridges the gap between visual learning and AI understanding. Test this prompt using any LLM with vision or with image support. Upload a screenshot of your resume or any document. Give it a prompt like, "Suggest layout, formatting, and visual improvements for better readability and professionalism." Also check for alignment and spacing. Notice how different the result is compared to just describing your resume with text. Visual prompting isn't just theoretical. People are already putting it to work in smart and creative ways. People are uploading screenshots of trading charts and asking LLMs like ChatGPT for analysis, predictions, or explanations of patterns using technical indicators. Many people are snapping photos of strange stones, shells, or plants, asking AI, "Is this a mineral? Could it be valuable?" People are using visual prompting as a second opinion on their work, whether it's a layout, concept sketch, prototype, or even a handwritten note. Visual prompting turns AI into your design reviewer, diagram explainer, or UI critic. When your prompt includes an image, you unlock context that text alone cannot provide. So, next time you are stuck explaining something visually, just show the AI instead of telling it. See you in the next lecture.